You want to learn about JavaScript loops. This is an intro code that's going to help you. Well, for is a very easy thing. So just start by reading all the captions, and this is going to be real easy for you. So just try this on your coding Visual Studios, or write it down and note it down. So we're going to give some numbers that we want. That I is our variable here. Okay, so we're going to give console log loop, and on our console the letter loop is going to show up. So we're initializing a counter basically. So please remember to subscribe. So I will generally stands and zeros. You can start at a number. We like in our segregation we are going to say keep going until this condition is false. In this last part we are incrementing our counter, like adding. In order to see a little bit better, let's add this to our index. So we can say plus I, and here you'll see loop 0 1 2 3 4. So when it reaches 4, it's going to count up to 5, but then it's going to check the condition and it's going to ask, is I less than 5? Well, 5 is not less than 5, so it did not continue on to 5. So again, this is going to continuously run until the condition is false. Instead of incrementing, we can also decrement, like I minus minus. If we didn't not that, we will need to start at a higher number, as we can say 5. We can say as long as I is greater than 0, and now it counts backwards 5 4 3 2 1, and when it hits 0, 0 is not greater than 0, so it does not print loop 0. Let's change this back to the way we had it originally, incrementing. That's what you're normally going to see instead of decrementing. Another thing that we can do is break early, so we can say if I equals minus equals 3 times 3. Okay, so over here we're going to write break and then semicolon. This is really important, guys. Semicolon. Okay, so minus 1, it printed 3, but when the condition if I equals 3, we wanted to break or stop, so it did not print. For another common use for the loop is to loop through an array. So we can add array here. Let's say const names equals John and Mary. We're still going to have it the index, so we can start the index at 0. This time a condition is going to say as I less than our array dot length. Okay, over here after names dot length. So as long as I is less than 4, this time we wanted to print each name in the array. And so for our index, we will use our counter or our index, and we'll just comment this break statement and run this John, Bob, Mary and Joanne. Another way of doing this is quite a bit easier by using a for loop. So let's comment this out, and time we'll say names. Let me clear the console first. Now we'll console.log name, and you'll see the same thing, John, Bob, Mary and Joe. So what is this doing? Is disconstructing the array. So that's it. Tell me in the comments if this helped you understood, and please subscribe for more related videos, please. Thank you.